Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Today we are going to be smoking a baby back pork roast in our Weber Performer, and we're going to be using our slow and sear. So come along and I'll show you how we get this pork roast seasoned up with our sweet heat and peach sauce, and we're going to make a fabulous peach pork roast. Check it out. Let's go ahead and get this baby back pork roast ready to go. First thing I'm going to do is right here on the top of these bones, I'm going to try to clean these up a little bit. Just put on a base layer of our J.P.BBQ all-purpose rub. And now next for our sweet heat. And the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little pieces of aluminum on our bones right here. That way when we put them on our Weber Performer, they don't get charred up and burnt, and they should come out with a nice little presentation look. We're gonna get this Weber cube started off with these briquettes, and once they get fired up, we're gonna put the rest of the briquettes in it as well. And along with that, we're also gonna be using apple cider vinegar in our trough here to help maintain that temperature across our grate. We're gonna watch the temperature, wait till it gets to about 250, not to get over 275. And once we get the temperature stabilized, it's time to put this pork roast in here. You guys stay tuned. So our pork roast has reached an internal temperature of 120 degrees. It's time to spritz it with a little bit of apple juice, and let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. Oh wow, that looks absolutely beautiful. Man, can you guys see that? We're gonna spritz it and let it keep on cooking. Once it reaches 165 degrees, we're gonna wrap it, try to get it a little bit tender, and raise it up to maybe 190 degrees of an internal temperature. Our baby back pork roast has hit 191. It's time to take it out, get it unwrapped, put another glaze of our peach sauce, and put it back on the grill. We're gonna leave it in here for about another 15-20 minutes. Let this glaze caramelize on top. We're gonna open these vents full blast. So you guys stay tuned. We'll be ready to eat in just a little bit. This peach pork roast is done. It's time to cut into it, see what it looks like, and give it a little taste test. Oh my goodness, look how tender that thing is. Oh wow, look at that. Look at the juices. Can you see the juices? That is tender, tender, tender. They look absolutely gorgeous. Let me cut one of these right here. See what it's all about. Oh my goodness, that is fantastic. Eat that sweet heat with that JP rub, and then using our JP peach sauce. It's a great combination. But besides that, guys, I tell you what, I appreciate you guys watching this video on my peach pork roast. Consider subscribing to my channel. Click on that little button over there on the side, and if you like also to get notified on upcoming videos, click on the bell as well. Feel free to share this video with your friends. But besides that, appreciate you guys once again. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.